Oyínkánsọ. Your name will forever strike me as one of the most beautifully metaphoric names that the Yoruba have to boast of. I love your name so much, Oyínkánsọ, and I wonder if you possess the knowledge of its true meaning. In English, Oyínkánsọ translates as honey drips into Ola. But in this case, Ola actually refers to the family into which you have been born. Oyin kan sí inú ọlá. Ọlá wo? Ọlá wa ni. Tásì lóyún ọ̀hún. Ìwọ ni. You are the honey that Olódùmarè has added onto our Ọlá. In other words, our family has always been a noble one. But with your arrival, that nobility has become a sweet one. Ládùn ládùn là ń bálé olóyin. Ẹnìkan kì í tọ́yin lákòótún tutù ẹ̀ dànù. Bọ́mọdé bá sì bóyin pàdé, yóò ju àkàrà sígbó. Oyin ti kán sínú ọlá tàwa. Láti òní lọ, adonílé ọlọ́lá, onílé aládùn, wàá ṣeré. For more of videos like this, visit my website, waasere.com. Over there, you will find hundreds of videos explaining Yoruba names. And so far, I have exhausted all Oriki names. Go there and get connected to your roots through your name. Again, waasere.